Your home is a huge investment, so you should know the warning signs that something isn't right, so you can get ahead of the problem and call the experts before it's too late. Joining us now, we have Tollefson with American Waterworks to help us prevent disaster. Welcome to the show, Corey.
Thank you for having me. It's good to be here in person.
Absolutely. So, of course, nobody wants water damage in their home. I mean, it's like the worst thing ever.
Yes.
So what causes, well, are most basements concrete, for example?
Yes.
Okay. So these days anyway. I mean, whatnot. So anyway, so what causes them to crack and shift and do all that?
Yeah, so what we're talking about is like, concrete slabs outside, mostly driveways, sidewalks, things like that. The main culprit there is soil erosion, the condition of the soil underneath the slab, and that can cause cracks, jagged edges, tripping hazard, and it can actually lower the value of your home. So yeah, it's really that soil erosion. That's the problem.
Lots of uneven sidewalks. We see a demonstration going on here too on the screen, but that is it's so true. I mean, you're walking down the sidewalk and all of a sudden it's like a totally,
Absolutely.
a big heave in the sidewalk there, in the concrete. So you've got a solution though called like poly-level. Or right? Is
yes,
that what it's called? Okay.
Yep.
So how do you know if poly-level is the right solution instead of replacing that concrete?
Well, replacing the concrete can be a very time-consuming process from start to finish. You have to take out the old concrete, haul it away, dispose of it, and then you have to bring in new concrete, pour that, and that takes a long time to set up. With poly-level, it's a very quick process. It sets up within 15 minutes. You can drive on it the same day.
Okay. Good.
Versus replacing, you have to wait days for it to set before you can walk or drive on it. Yeah.
Right. And then that demonstration they just showed there too, that was perfect to show. Wow, that's some major difference right there too.
Yeah, those before and afters are amazing.
Wow, that's crazy. So, okay, only for driveways?
Not only for driveways. We do repair with sidewalks, steps, pool decks, roads, even out on runways for airports.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. That's pretty cool. So why is this solution that you offer, is it only at American Waterworks?
Other companies do offer this solution, but at American Waterworks, we think of the traditional mud jacking as the right solution. That can be very dirty, invasive, time-consuming as well. With poly-level, it's a special lightweight foam that gets injected into the slab.
Okay.
It fills all the voids that are under the slab. It cures very quickly. It's less invasive and environmentally friendly as well.
Well, that's good to know. And that makes everybody happy, of course. So,
yes.
How often are you doing this? Are you guys keeping really busy doing this? Is this something new?
Yeah, we've been doing it for a while. It's mainly during the spring, summer, a little bit into the fall months, and then the winter we take a break from it.
Okay. I'm just kind of watching, the process here, and it looks pretty slick, pretty simple.
Yeah, it's a quick process. You usually take 3 hours or so, most projects, and you can drive on it pretty quickly after it's done.
Okay. So any other important things that we need to know about this solution?
Well, you can give us a call at 1-800-795-1204 to get a free estimate on this.
Okay, that's good.
And or you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and you can find us at americanwaterworks.com, american-waterworks.com, and we'll give you a free estimate there for all of your concrete repair needs.
Yeah, fantastic. I'm sure this is going to keep you busy because people see this and they're like, oh my gosh, I don't have to just replace all my concrete, because that's what they've been waiting for.
Yeah,
so
that can be a big undertaking.
Awesome. Corey, thank you so much for being with us. All right, don't go anywhere. We've got much more coming back.